Hey everybody, it's an announcement video. As maybe you have already noticed that I have changed my channel name from highly recommended to Grey White, which is my name. And when a month ago I started my channel, the vision of my channel was different. I was planning to share highly recommended personalities, books, sites, habits and hobbies, but with time, when I started all this, I realized that to suggest things that I haven't tried is not a decent thing to do, because I'm a spiritual person and I'm always so afraid to recommend something that might harm you in any way. So after pondering over all this, I decided to change the name and vision of my channel. So now let's talk about the name and idea I'll pursue with in the future. I remember when I was so young and I was unable to classify colors. You know how I used to elaborate grey color? A color mixture of black and white. According to me, grey is the best representation of a human, because I believe that no human is pure black or white. No average human is an absolute evil or angelic. We all make mistakes in our lives and have evil habits, but at the same time we may have some good habits and behaviors. Even most good human beings have made some mistakes in their lives and have regrets. The white color is complete and pure and the color of perfection, and this is what all we want in our lives. I love black color, and I'm not saying that it has something to do with negative emotions only. Without black, no color has a depth. For me, color represents a life. So bottom line, gray is a representation of human being, and it means every human have purity within them and some secrets. And white represent the life that everyone want to live. So I'll be sharing skills on this channel that may help us to grow in our lives spiritually, mentally, physically and also emotionally, and that can include a science and religion, self-development and self-awareness, and I'll update more in the future. And you can suggest me ideas in the comment section below. It's down there, you can see. So that's it from here now. So don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed.